Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video, and this is basically a video where I will start a journey on how to grow an Instagram account from scratch. So I will be documenting everything from 0 to 10k followers, only using free methods. Since I didn't have any time, I'm working on a lot of different projects right now. I wanted to make a script and to make this video look better, especially since this is my first YouTube video and I'm not native, so my accent is also bad. But since I didn't have time and I want to start growing this account as soon as possible, I wanted to record it right now, and for my next video I hope I will do better. So let me show you my Instagram account. As you can see, the account is in the Scandinavia travel niche, so I will be only doing travel photos from Scandinavian countries. That's a micro niche. The reason I'm doing that is because travel is really broad, and in my opinion it will be harder to grow that kind of account. So I niched it down to just Nordic countries. I personally like Nordic countries and Iceland, so that's one of the reasons I picked up this niche. Another thing is since that's the land of Vikings, and the Vikings TV show is really popular right now. I think that it will do great because of that. Since it's travel but micro niche, if I decide to niche up, so to say, and do all Scandinavian countries, I can always change my username, and since the people who follow me are already following me and they are into travel, then the transition will be much easier, and I won't lose too many followers. But I will talk about transitioning, changing the niche and the username in some other video. Right now let's focus on this. What I've done so far, as I already told you, I picked up the niche. Probably I will going to make another video explaining how I'm picking up niches and keyword research, niche research and all that. But right now let's focus on this. So I've selected the niche, I brainstormed the username. As you can see, it's the Vikland, like the Viking land of Vikings. It looks clean, it's kind of memorable, brandable. I think it looks kind of nice. I've also created the profile pic. It's just a simple profile picture that took me like 5-10 minutes to make in Photoshop. I think it's look clean, it looks nice, and that's it. I've made my Instagram account, and I've added a bio. Every time I create a new Instagram account, I simply make a bio, change the profile picture, change the username, and I let it rest for several days. That's kind of my routine. I don't know why I'm doing that, but every time I first create account and let it rest for several days. Then after several days I've added the first photo. as you can see. This is the first photo 20 days ago. Then I've added the second photo, and I also started following some people. These are all niche followers. So these are the pages like Nordic page, Iceland page, Faroe Island page, and so on, as you can see. So I followed some of these pages, and that's it. Once I added the second photo, I started liking and posting comments on some other pictures from Norway, Iceland, and so on. Just several likes and several comments every day. And then I added the third and the fourth photo. The last one is added on July 26th, and that's it. As I already mentioned, I wanted to make this video before I start growing this Instagram page, and I didn't have time to make the video, so for the past 10 days this account was just resting. I didn't touch anything. Right now it has 45 followers and I'm following 23 people, and that's it. So what I'm going to do next is add 5 more photos, so I can nice feed of 9 pictures here, and I will start with follow-unfollow. I know a lot of people say that follow-unfollow doesn't work and it will ruin your account and so on, but in my opinion that isn't true. You can't ruin your account that way. Maybe if you're botting, but I'm not botting. I'm doing everything manually. Every time I do follow-unfollow, I'm doing it until I reach about 500 to 2k followers, depending on a niche. I don't know when will I stop follow-unfollow for this particular account, but probably somewhere in 1000 followers ranged. So without further ado, I will make another video once I do all that, add some photos and add some posts and whatnot. Also, I wanted to mention I already collected about 50 photos from different accounts. I always mention the original photo creator or photographer in the caption. So I collected the photos. I will start adding them slowly, probably two posts per day to start with. I also recommend that you should explore some hashtags and see what works best. I always use several broad hashtags, several hashtags in a range of 500k to 2 or 3 million, and let's see what I come up in this niche. Since this is my first video, that's just the introduction to my case study, and that's it. I will probably show you in some other journey the fast way to grow accounts if you want to spend some cash. But right now I know that everyone wants to save up some money or doesn't have any and wants to grow for free. So this is what I will be showing right now. I don't know how many days it will take to grow this account to 10k, but we will do our best to make it as fast as possible. Later I will talk about monetization, also maybe even make a video on how I will monetize this account. But especially in the travel niche there are a lot of possibilities. So that's it. Sorry for my bad English, and I hope I will improve my acting on camera, my accent, my English speaking skills, and so on. So if you have any feedback or suggestion, let me know down in the comment, and please subscribe if you want to follow this journey to the end. Thanks guys, talk to you soon, bye.